Greetings. We are going to do a short tutorial using SmartMusic and the Compose portion of SmartMusic. Today we're going to focus on specifically using a quick creation. We're going to learn how to save the file, input notes, save as a SmartMusic file, save as an XML file, a PDF file, and sharing the file with other people. So let's get started. You're going to start by logging in to SmartMusic. We're going to go up to the waffle, and then we're going to go to Compose. From here, you'll have three options: Quick Creation, Create from Template, Import Music XML, MIDI, or SMZ. Music XML file is a type of code that you can create with using Sibelius and Finale software as well. You can actually upload MIDI files, and it will ingest that information and create a score. And then there's SMZ, which is downloading a SmartMusic file. So for right now, we're going to go to Quick Creation. And automatically, this just pulls up some notation. And you have the option to add titles, subtitle, and click to add composer. So let's go ahead and just add our title here. We're going to do SmartMusic Quick Creation. And then we'll do 1.0, the subtitle. And we're going to do click to add a composer. So you say Mr. Composer or Miss Composer or person. And now this is browser based, so we want to make sure that we save. Okay, otherwise we will lose this. If something happens to your browser, you're done and you have to start over from scratch. In order to save, notice that you have some things up here in our menu. We have file, we have score, we have note, dynamic, line, text, symbol, playback. Go to file. And here we have create a new score. You have the option to save to your SmartMusic account, the option to save as a music XML file, save as a PDF, assign it as if, for instance, you could create something for your students and then assign it to them from here as an assignment, and they would have to play for it as an assessment, etc. And then you also have the option to open in SmartMusic. We're going to go to the cloud and save to your SmartMusic account. If you want to edit your title, go to Edit, SmartMusic Quick Creation 1.0, and hit Save. From here, you have these two boxes: Continue using Compose, which just allows you to keep working in the same document, or you can go to Manage My Content. I'm going to go to Continue using Compose. And from here, I want to show you how to quickly input some notes. So again, you have File, Score, and there's options here: notes, you have dynamics, you have line, which is shapes and slurs, crescendos, etc. You have text, where you can input rehearsal markings, text, rich text, lyrics, chords, etc. And then we have symbols, and you can see what those lead to. And then we have playback. For right now, we're going to go back to note, and we're going to keep this simple for right now. We're just going to input quarter notes. So I'm going to start a composition. And I can use this, I can hold it and I can move it up. If I want to delete a note, I'll keep it highlighted and I'll just use my delete button on the keyboard. And then I can input again. If I hold my note down, you can hear that it actually creates sound while I do that. If I want to hear how that sounds as a musical phrase, I can go up to my cursor, and then I'll go to the first note, and then I'll press the play button, start playback. Notice it also says I can just hit the space bar. All right. So now, again, I want to hit save because maybe I want to leave my work where it is. I have something else to do. I'll go ahead and hit save. From here, I'm gonna close this out. So I'm gonna go to manage my content. Now, if you want to come back to this later, let's say you have to log out. So I'm gonna log out, and then I'm gonna log back in. And if I'm on my home page, which looks like this, you'll see that. Where's my content? Well, there's a couple ways you can find that. You can see that my content shows up here. In my content, I can hit view all. And again, it's browser-based, so it takes a few seconds to load up. It's issued by date, right, in time, and also by title. So that's one way. I can go back home. Another way to find my work is to go up to the waffle again and go to Content Manager, and that will take me to the same screen, as you can see. From there, you want to click on your file, and then this window opens up, and you want to go to Edit, and this will allow you to go back to work on your document. So I want to add more notes to this. Again, if I want to play the file, I can hit spacebar. Okay, it's going to pick up where it left off. So again, that's why you want to put the cursor. This also works here. Okay. And then I can hit spacebar or play. Okay, I like that. So now I'm going to go up to File. I'm going to hit Save. And now I want to teach you how to create an XML file and a PDF file. So I'm going to go to Continue. I'm going to hit File. To create an XML file, if you wanted to share this template with your students, you can go ahead and see that you can edit name. Well, the name is fine. So I'm going to hit Save. And then it will go to your downloads file from here. And then we will also, if we want to save it as a PDF, we can save it as a PDF, hit Save. It goes to your downloads file. You can open it as a PDF, and now you have this ability to share your document as well. That concludes this tutorial. I hope it helps.